Once again, I'm Ron, and this is Beer Guy Workshop. In today's video, I'll be making a noodle board. It's also known as a stovetop cover. Just a piece of, make a piece of wood, put it on top, make it look pretty. This is a gift from my sister. She asked me, she looked online. They're very, very expensive, or not the kind that she really wanted. So, said I'll make you one. So, really nothing to dive into, really explain. I'll let the video speak for itself. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right to it. All right, like I told you, that was simple, quick, and easy. Um, the video is actually, it's maybe week or so ago. Um, I've been finished it, mailed it off to my sister. She received it today, and she loves it. So that's all that counts. So like you saw in the video, it's very simple. The wood I use is just pine, you know, glued up. Like I said before, made it look pretty. So yeah, I won't ramble on. Um, this item is like hotcakes, man. Everybody wants one of these. Everybody love them. I don't know why. It's not my cup of tea. But to each his own. Um, yeah, man. I won't go on. Keep your head on a swivel. Make something. Build something. Do something. Get out and just start something. So yeah, man. I'm out of here. Take it easy. Peace.
I spend my Mondays like Fridays. I spend my Fridays in a box. In my heart, I'm not whining. I put my pinings on pedestals to the keeping them grounded. What's that mountain to nothing? Let's make something from nada. Let's go to Gucci and Prada. Set the buildings on fire. Screaming death to designer while we listen to Ponder.